Take a ride in the 2024 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.0-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, rear step bumper, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, stability control. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, security system. Your new ride is just a phone call away.